I would say that Galileo started, like Daniel said, from the summit. And after we polled all of the parents that were involved as speakers and attendees, and everyone overwhelmingly said that reading was the most important for them and their children. And that's how the book club was birthed. So we started a book club. We had Harry Potter as our theme. It grew in popularity. And there was a need for more. We wanted to make more community. We wanted to connect students from around the world and to help them advance in their alternative education wherever they were on their journey. So Galileo began as a daily check-in program, and in addition to the book club, and now we've expanded. We have about 19 clubs. We have 9 classes of check-ins, and these are with 8 maximum students. And I always like to say that Galileo is the school that I didn't have. So when I was 12, around this age, if someone said that I will be your mentor and I will give you the resources and the inspiration to be whatever you want, then I think maybe it would have turned out a little bit differently for me. But that's not to say I'm not really thrilled to be here in this position. So I like to say that I'm making the school for my 12-year-old self that could have used something like this when I was in the public school system. So